here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to do this technique. The first thing that you want to do whenever you're doing any kind of energy healing on yourself is you want to be grounded and protected. So sit with your feet on the floor, both feet on the floor. If you're lying down, then you can just kind of visualize that there's energy running from your feet into the ground, okay? But when you're running energy, basically you want to sit, be in a comfortable chair so your feet, both feet are on the floor. Relax your body, relax your hands in your lap, and relax your shoulders. And when running energy, you want to use your breath. So you're imagining that the breath is coming in through your feet all the way to the top of your head on the in-breath, and then down your arms into your hands with your out-breath, okay? So what I do is I set an intention anytime I'm running energy. I set an intention that only good comes in, only good comes out, and I just visualize that there are roots coming from my feet. I just say to myself, I'm grounded and protected. Only good comes in, good comes out. I'm surrounded and enfolded in a beautiful white light. So ground, protect, white light surrounding. So then you start breathing. And as you're breathing, you run that energy. Just imagine that with every breath, energy comes up to the top of the head and out through your hands, okay? So in through the body, up to the top of the head, down the arms, into the hands. It's that simple. And with every single breath, you're going to bring life force energy into your body and nourish every single cell, giving yourself a boost in your immune system. You're going to be giving yourself vibrant health and well-being. So now let's go ahead and start the meditation. Get yourself into, let's take a moment, get comfortable. Sit in a nice, comfortable area. Take in a few slow, deep breaths. With every breath you take, you're bringing the breath in through your feet all the way to the top of the head, and then exhaling all the way down the arms into the hands. Every single breath is bringing in life force energy. Just imagine with every single breath, you're helping to raise your immune system, raise your vibration. Just keep breathing. Slowly and deeply. Calm, relaxed. Letting go of any tension in your body. Just letting it go. Keep breathing. With every single breath, you're breathing in life force energy and letting go of all of your stress, all of your tension, releasing it and letting it go. Now just imagine that for just these few moments, all of your cares have slipped away. You're relaxed, you're calm. You've boosted your mood. If any thoughts come in, let them go. stay relaxed. Let go of all tension. Take one more big deep breath. Letting go of everything. Now give thanks that you've been able to raise your vibration. Thanks and gratitude that all of your cells in your entire body are functioning at their highest and best good. And now you can just come back to this space and this time. Know that any time and any place you can change the way you feel by simply flipping that switch in your mind, taking those few deep breaths, and you have the power to do that. It's simply a matter of taking that time for yourself, doing what you need to do to change your own vibration and raising that, elevate it. We all have that power, and collectively we can come together and take care of one another during this time, using all of our gifts, all of our abilities, and, turn this around so that we can all come out of this better. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to have access to my free resources hub to get all of the meditations, then just let me know. All you have to do is send me a message, and all I need is your email address, and I can send you a link to it. Thank you so much. Namaste, my friends. Stay safe and stay happy. I love you. Talk to you soon.